I am Cameron Vidani, and after a long time, I have decided to record a new tutorial series, and I'll try to complete it as soon as possible. In this series of tutorial, we are going to create a freelance network for one of my client, and we will do it step by step. And the name for the well, I will keep the name anonymous, but I can't keep secrets in my belly. So the name of the project is taskboard.pk, and for that, don't waste any time and let's jump straight in it. And I have a boilerplate for the create a React app with a couple of settings I made for myself so that I can just jump right into the project instead of just spending time in wasting setup time and all that. And before starting, if you have not subscribed to WatchMeCode YouTube channel, then please subscribe. And if you have not liked the WatchMeCode Facebook page, then please like. Well, let's go inside the terminal, and we need to just git clone, and for that we need to copy this HTTPS URL, and we will add git clone, and we will add taskboard and hit enter, and it will clone the entire project inside the taskboard folder. Let's cd taskboard and just run yarn, and it will install all the dependencies which is required to run this boilerplate. And for a taskboard.pk, I have decided to go with components instead of starting from point A to point Z, because this boilerplate is using backend PHP 7 and MySQLi, and I will try to move it to Firebase or MongoDB in the end. And let's go inside the VS Code. Let me quickly open the folder inside the VS Code, open folder, and if I already open, where is it open, by the way? I'm not getting it actually. Well, let me quickly open file, open, and where is the plate? Well, I guess I should just move to folder directly and drag and drop inside the VS Code. And here we go. Here is the nice folder taskboard which we just cloned from the project. Let's go inside the terminal and wait for the installation to finish. While the installation is finishing, let me quickly go through this Zuz boilerplate. I have a nice Redux and Redux thunk setup already, and I have a catch, and this is actually the error boundary for the React app. You can go through zuzpk/zuz because it is a public repo, and you can just go through and check for the settings. But for that, I will go inside config, and here is the basic configurations for what we are going to use. Let me quickly change it to zuz.com.pk. And I guess the installation is finished, and here we go. Let's quickly hit yawn and start, and it will just run the localhost on port 3000. And actually this is the last project I was testing this is. And here we are. We have a nice setup with sign in, create account, and all that. So this is it for this video, and in the next video we will continue for our project.